Hello, good evening already. Good evening, Raktin. Can you people hear me?
Yes.
Tell me. Okay,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Okay, we can start. The last day we were doing complex numbers. Okay, so let us continue. I had given 24 homework questions, right? How many I have given?
Yes, sir. 24.
Yes, sir.
24. Okay, so let us discuss all of them. Only you have sent it today only.
Yes, sir.
So late.
Sorry, sir.
You had couldn't hear you properly.
So I didn't say anything.
Oh, so why so late? What happened?
So I actually did it over the weekend, but then I forgot to send it, and today was the class, so I remembered.
Okay. Number one is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. On any Raktim, Devank, you have any doubt? Number one.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Number two is I guess 10.00333. Right, tell me. Devank, you got this only, right? Ten point
Yes,
double
sir.
zero triple three. Okay,
Yes.
next. Number three, what is the answer? Root 2. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the first one.
Yes, first one is root 2.
The first one is root 2, yes.
Part 2 is 4. Part 2 is 4. And part 3 is e minus 1 by 3, I guess. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt in 3? 3 part 1, 2 and 3? Yes, good evening, Shwamita. Can you hear me? So tell me, anyone having any doubt in 3 part 1, 2 and 3? Tell me.
So can you solve 3? I got a different answer.
You got a different answer. Part
So,
3.
so I got e minus 1 by 3 for a different problem.
Oh, for a different problem. Then I think this is somewhat else, something else, I guess.
For number 8, I got e minus 1 by 3.
Achha, wait. I think I'm writing the wrong answer for this question. Wait, let me check. Okay, good evening, Shwamita. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Shwamita, you have joined after so long. What happened? Exams.
Yes, sir. It ended today only.
Okay. So did you go through the last classes PDF and last classes notes,
No, sir, I
videos?
couldn't.
How will you be able to follow today's class?
Sir,
Hmm?
after the class, I'll just go through the videos.
Go through them, okay? By tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 part 3 is e square minus e. And Mimel, you didn't send me your homework. What happened?
Sir, I didn't able to do 3-4 sums, then I was trying them and forgot to send it to you.
Okay, you should have sent the rest.
Yes, sir. I thought I would send it fully, but then
Okay, anyone having any doubt? One, two, three, tell me. Number 4. Number 4 is option A, x. Number 5 is r equal to 6. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Number 6 is 646. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Number 7 is minus 1 by e. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Tell me, Devank, Raktim.
Sir, can I solve 7?
7. Okay. So I'm solving 7. over here, it is given that we need to find out summation of k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1, k into k plus 1 divided by k factorial. Okay, so let us see how we can solve. Okay, minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1. So first of all, let us simplify. Let's see what is coming as. We can write it as summation of k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1 into k plus 1 by k factor. So I think it will become k and k will get cancelled. Tell me. You can cancel of k and k.
Yes.
Okay. So what will it become? Minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1. K plus 1 by k minus 1 whole factorial. Okay. Next further, this k plus 1 by k minus 1 whole factorial, this one also we can simplify by writing it as summation of k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1. K plus 1, I can write it as k minus 1 plus 2. K minus 1 plus 2 divided by k minus 1 whole factorial. Tell me. So this will become
Yes, sir.
summation of k equal to 1. Summation of k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1. K minus 1 by k minus 1 whole factorial will become 1 upon k minus 2 whole factorial. Okay. Plus summation of k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power k plus 1 into 2 by k minus 1 whole factorial. Tell me. Are you getting?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
So for k equal to 1, what are you getting? For k equal to 1, the term is not defined. Can you understand?
Yes.
For k equal to, so we'll start with k equal to 2. For k equal to 2, what will you get? It will be minus 1 by 1
The
factorial.
one.
Minus 1 by 0 factorial plus 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 2 so it is some standard form dot 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 up to infinity. This is some standard form. Plus when k equal to 1, it will be 2. We can take 2 outside. For k equal to 1, we are getting 1 upon 1 factorial. No, 1 upon 0 factorial minus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial dot 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 dot. Achha, this summation seem familiar, right?
Yes.
Tell me. If I take minus common, we'll get 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial dot 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 to infinity. And over here, it will be 2 into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial dot 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 up to infinity. Tell me, the first one, it's a standard expansion. Tell me, whose expansion it is?
Sir, Taylor series.
Taylor series. But whose expansion? Whose Taylor series it is? What happened? Sarthak? It is e to the power minus 1, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Plus this is 1 by e, so 2 by e. So this will give us, oh, answer is 1 by e. Right, everyone, answer is 1 by e, not minus 1 by e. Wait, let me check. Over here, the answer is given as, oh yes, 1 by e, 1 by e. I wrote minus 1 by e. Is it clear, Sarthak? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And see, this came in this year only. It's not that tough, not lengthy as well. You just simplify, you will understand. Next, number 8. Number 8 is given as e minus 1 by 3. Acha, number 8's answer is e minus 1 by 3. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me. Number 8. Okay. So 1 to 8, nobody has a doubt, right? Devang, Raktim, Onini, Memel, Sathok, Shomita, tell me. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. So let us continue. Okay. After this, we have complex numbers. I had given some questions from complex numbers. Let me see. Wait, I'm telling the answers. Yes, this one is 1010 into 1 minus iota. Is 1010 into 1 minus iota. Number 10 is equal to x equal to plus minus 2 and y is equal to 3 comma 1 by 3. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Sarthak, tell me if you have any doubt.
No, sir.
K equal to 4. Number 12, the answer is, wait a minute. Oh, number 11 and 12 I gave by mistake. I mean, same question. Okay, so you should have left it. Number 13. Number 13, the answer is r equal to -1 and s is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Number 14 is equal to m equal to 2. Number 15, find the set of points. Okay, so it lies on the line. Point lies on the segment. Point lies on the line segment minus half comma minus root 3 by 2 union minus half comma root 3 by 2. Okay, this will be the line segment. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt up to 15, you can ask me now. Next, 16 is 2. If there's anyone having any doubt, tell me. Memel, Laktim,
So
Devan.
13, why is s equal to 2 plus minus root 3?
Wait a minute. Oh no, this is the value of r only. Sorry. You got this only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 17. Number 17 is b equal to 51. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Next. Number 18. 18 is 2. Next. Wait a minute. 18. No. 18 is 1. 19 is 2. Tell me. So, and number 20 is exactly one solution. So 1 to 20, tell me, anyone having any doubt? Ratim, Ondrini, Memel, Devang, Shomita, Sarthok, anyone having any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Next. Number 21. 21 is option A.
Second is solve 21.
Yes,
21.
sir, 21.
Okay. Z1 and Z1 bar represents adjacent vertices of a regular polygon of n sides with center at origin, and imaginary part of Z1 divided by imaginary part of Z2 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So over here, if I find out the central angle, my problem is done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I find the central angle, my problem is done. Yes or no? Sarthak and Mimil. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
written that Z1 and Z1 bar are consecutive vertices of a regular polygon. So this is Z1. If this is Z1 and it makes an angle theta with the x-axis, then this is Z1 bar, right? Mirror image over the x-axis. Acha, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
If this angle is theta, so what is this angle? Tell me.
So theta.
Theta only, right? Z1 bar is the mirror image of Z1.
Yes.
Okay, now we need to find out this value theta. Achha, what is Z1? Z1 is equal to x comma y. Okay. Z1 is equal to x comma y. So over here, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to y by x. Okay. And what is y by x? Y by x is given as √2 minus 1, right? So you
Yes.
people tell me,
Yes,
for
sir.
what value of theta? For what value of theta, tan theta is equal to √2 minus 1?
Pi by 8.
Pi by 8, right? So if this angle is pi by 8, this is equal to pi by 4. Sorry, this is also pi by 8. So central angle is equal to pi by 4.
Yes.
Central angle is equal to pi by 4. So you people tell me, what is the number of sides of the polygon? Sides is equal to
8.
8. 8.
360 divided by 45 degree, which is 8. Done. Very simple. Next, find the area enclosed by these two arguments. 15 pi by 4. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. 15 pi by 4. 23,
So I have a doubt in 22.
22. We need to find out the area enclosed by z minus 1 plus iota is less than or equal to 3. So start telling me, what does z minus 1 plus iota less
Sir,
than or
x
equal to 3?
minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square
No,
equals to
what does it represents on the complex plane? Tell me.
a circle.
Mod of z, it will represent a circle, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir. X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 3 square.
So what is the center and the radius of the circle?
Sir, radius is 3 and the center is 1 comma minus 1.
1 comma minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here, this is 1 comma minus 1 and radius is 3. This is how the circle will look like, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what does the next one represents? Argument of z minus 1 plus iota. Over here, you think about this one. Argument of z minus 1 plus iota is less than or equal to pi by 2. What does it represents? Tell me. What does argument of z minus iota? Achha, you forget about that one. You tell me, what does argument of z equal to theta represent? What does it represents?
Sir, angle from the center.
Angle from the center. I'm asking you, what does it
Not the,
represents? What does it represents? I want the figure. I don't want angle or anything. What does it
ray.
represent? Array, right?
Yes.
Argument of z is equal to theta represents a ray originating from origin, right?
Yes,
Raktim.
sir.
But over here, argument of z minus 1 plus iota is given. 1 minus z minus 1 minus iota is given. So the ray is originating from 1 comma minus 1
Yes, sir.
and it is less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2 means the angle which it makes with the x-axis is less than pi by 2, less than
Yes,
90 degree.
I understood, sir.
Right. So this is how the ray will look like. Are you getting, Raktin?
Yes, yes.
Is it clear to others, those who are online?
Yes.
By looking at the expression, you should be able to tell me about the locus directly. Mod z minus x is equal to something. It means that it is a circle. Argument of z minus something, it means it is a ray. Okay, so less than pi by 2, that means this region, right? This region, but it is greater than minus pi by 3. Greater. So which one is minus pi by 3? Minus pi by 3 is this one. Tell me. Somewhere over here, right? So it is greater than minus pi by 3. So they are talking about this region. Are you getting? They are talking about this region.
Yes, sir.
Can you find out the region or should I find it?
No, sir. Now I can solve it.
You can solve it, right? Okay.
So using the angles
Yes,
and
rest
the
you can do it.
symmetry of circle.
Yes. Okay. Tell me, others have understood? Memel, Shomita, Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Devank, you have done it? This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, 23 came this year only in JEE Mains. The answer of 23 is 17/2. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Okay. 24, 3/16. Anyone having any doubt, tell me.
So can you solve 24?
24. Okay. Acha, Shomita, since so many homeworks you have missed, okay, can you send me the homework by the next week?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All your exams are over. So send it.
Yes.
Okay. And Mimel, since you have not sent me your homework, send me by tonight. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just see similar kind of problem. I think we did it in the class. Anyways, pay attention. So on any over here, what you do is you start by taking z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay. So over here, if x plus z is equal to x plus iota y, what are we given? We are given 4 into x plus iota y whole square plus x minus iota y is equal to 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
This implies 4 into x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy plus x minus iota y is equal to 0. From here, real part will be 4 into x square minus y square plus x. Imaginary part will be plus 8 iota xy minus iota y is equal to 0. Okay. Now see, left hand side is a complex number, right hand side is 0. This implies
So why
x
is
is
it's multiplied by 4 in the real part? In the, like,
no,
why is
but
it?
it's given na in the question.
Oh no, sir, in the third step. Like, x is outside the bracket and then we are
Oh,
multiplying.
acha, x. Okay. This implies 4 into x square minus y square plus x is equal to 0 and xy plus y should also be equal to 0. Sorry, xy minus y should also be equal to 0. Right, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting on, Rini?
Yes, sir.
So from here, what are we getting? This implies x is equal to 0 or sorry. Y equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Right, tell me. So there will be two cases. Case 1, when y is equal to 0, what are we getting? We'll get 4x square plus x is equal to 0. From here, you'll get some values of x. That is, x will be equal to 0, comma minus 1/4. So over here, you are getting two complex numbers. Z is equal to 0, comma 0 and z is equal to 0, comma minus 1/4, comma 0. Right, tell me on any.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, case 2, when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, what are we getting? 4 into 1 minus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 minus y square is equal to minus 1/4. This implies y square is equal to how much? 5/4. Okay, somewhere I am making a mistake. X is equal to 1 over here. I got it. Where I made the mistake. Iota common 8xy minus y equal to 0. So over here y equal to 0 or x is equal to 1/8. Are you getting? Underneath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will be 4 into 1/64 minus y square plus 1/8. Okay. So now it's fine. Uh, Over here, now when you simplify, you are going to get 1/16 minus y square plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 1 by 16 plus 1 by 8, that is 3 by 16. This implies y is equal to
So minus 4y square, right?
minus 4y square, yes. This implies y square is equal to 3 by 64. This implies y equal to plus minus root 3 by 8. Rest you can solve it, right? So over here you are getting z is equal to 1 by 8 comma root 3 by 8 and 1 by 8 comma minus root 3 by 8. Is it clear? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, I'm sorry.
Rest you can solve it.
Yes.
Next. So anyone else having any doubt in the homework questions, tell me. Memel, Onani, Rakvin, Devang, Sarthak, tell me. Anyone having any
Yes.
doubt? No.
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we can continue. Last day, what have we done? Let me see. What have we done? Okay, question number 20. This was the last problem we did. Okay. So we shall continue. Okay. This was the last problem we had done.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in the notes of the last Tuesday, I would
Hmm.
ask what is the meaning of CIS theta?
Cis theta. Cos theta plus
Like,
iota sin theta. Short
okay,
form.
okay.
You were there last class, right? Or not there?
No, sir, I was going through the PDF. I was not.
Okay, okay. Cis theta. Cos theta plus iota sin theta. So
Okay,
check the videos whenever you miss something like this, na? Check the videos.
yes.
Okay, this was the last problem we did. Okay, let us continue today. Question number 1. Question number 1. If argument of z plus a is equal to pi by 6 and argument of z minus a is equal to 2 pi by 3 for a comma a belongs to positive real numbers, find z in terms of a. Find z in terms of a. Solve. Question number 2. Let's solve this one. Should I start? Tell me, everyone. Okay, so everyone see. Over here, argument of z plus a is given as pi by 6 and argument of z minus a is given as 2 pi by 3. What does it represents, everyone? Again, tell me. What does argument of z minus a represents? Tell me.
Sir, are they with slope x pi by
Near which
6?
angle 2 pi by 3?
From a comma 0, the ray is originating. Okay,
Yes.
this angle is 2 pi by 3, right? 120
Yes.
degree. Okay, next. What does argument of z plus a represents? Equal to pi by 6. What does it represents?
So minus a comma 0 with angle pi by 6.
Exactly. The ray is originating from minus a comma 0 and the angle is pi by 6. Okay, that is 30 degree. Okay, this is how it is going to look like. Okay, next. I need to find out mod z, right? That means I need to find out this length. This is the length we need to find out. Okay, this is z.
So to find
This
z
is,
in terms of a.
yes, this is the length we need to find out. Actually, we need to find out z in terms of a. So see, basically I need to find out the length. I need to find out this angle also. Then only I can represent in terms of argument and mod, right?
Yes, sir.
In order to represent a complex numbers, we need its argument and its modulus also. Okay, so let us start finding out the angles and everything. Okay. What are the things given to us? Nothing else. Nothing else is given. Okay. So everyone, this is 120 degree. This is 30 degree. What is this angle? Tell me.
90.
90 degree, right? So can I say that these 3 points lie on a circle? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I say that these 3 points lie on a circle with a comma 0 and minus a comma 0 as diameter?
Diameter.
Right, tell me. Devang, are you getting? Shwamita, are you getting? Yes or no? With
Yes.
a comma 0 and minus a comma 0 is the diameter. Okay, although it is not looking like it is the diameter, but it is the diameter. Okay. So you people tell me, what is this angle? This angle is a minus a comma 0. This angle is a, sorry. This angle is 120. This angle is 30 degrees. So what is this angle? Tell me. Are you people able to visualize this? Angle at the center, angle at the circumference. So what is this angle? Tell me. If this angle is 30 degree, what is this angle? 60 degrees. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So I've got the argument. Argument of z is equal to pi by 3. Is it clear to everyone? Now I need mod. Okay. So in order to find out mod, I'll use the condition that this is 90 degree. Anyways, pay attention. So this is 120 degree. Okay. This is 60 degree. So what is this angle? Tell me. What is this angle?
60 degree.
60 degree. Okay. And this angle will be 60 degree. So what kind of a figure is this?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Right. So now tell me what is mod z? Therefore, mod z is equal to A. Can you people understand? All the sides are equal. This is A, this is A, this is A. All sides are equal. Therefore, Z will be equal to mod Z, that is A into cis pi by 3. Tell me. Only Raktim, Memel, Devang, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Shwamita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Geometrical meaning of e to the power iota theta. Okay. So what does Z1 dot Z2 means? What does Z1 dot Z2 means? Represents. Okay, I mean, what does the product of them represents? Okay. So everyone pay attention. Let Z1 is equal to 1 plus iota. And Z2 is equal to iota. So everyone, what is Z1 dot Z2? Tell me. What is Z1 dot Z2? Tell me. When you multiply, what are you getting?
I minus 1.
I minus 1, right? Okay. So everyone, let us represent Z1 dot Z2 and Z1 on the number line. I mean, on the argand plane. So everyone, this was the complex number 1, comma 1, right? This was the complex number 1, comma 1. Next. And this is minus 1, comma 1. So it will be over here. Okay. Are you people able to visualize this? That when you multiply 1, comma 1 with iota, this vector, I mean, this complex numbers, or you can say this complex number or this vector is rotated. Can you people visualize? It is being rotated by how much angle? Can you people tell me? By how much angle it is being rotated?
9.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. And what is the argument of Z2? And what is the argument of Z2?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Are you getting? So see, if you multiply a complex number by another complex number, okay, the first complex number will be rotated by an angle equal to the argument of the second complex number. Right, everyone? Tell me. Has everyone understood the concept of rotation? Tell me. So if a complex
Can you
number,
explain the part of the angle part, like
yes.
rotated by that one?
See, argument of Z2 is equal to pi by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When you multiply Z1 dot with Z2, okay, this Z1, the first complex number, is being rotated by an angle of 90 degree. That is an
Okay, sir.
angle equal to the argument of second complex number. Are you getting? That
Okay,
is
sir.
by an
Understood.
angle. Okay. So if a complex number Z, so if a complex number Z is multiplied by iota, a complex number Z is multiplied by iota, okay, it will rotate. It will rotate by an angle of 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction. By an angle of 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction about the origin. About the origin. Without affecting its modulus. Without affecting its modulus. Okay, its modulus will not be affected. Okay. Next. So in general, okay, in general, if Z1 is equal to mod Z1 into e to the power iota theta and Z2 is equal to mod Z2 into e to the power iota theta, sorry, e to the power iota phi. Okay. Then you see, then Z1 dot Z2 is equal to mod Z1 into mod Z2. Okay. Into mod Z2 into e to the power iota theta plus phi. So you see over here, now in this case, the modulus will also increase. Are you getting? So here Z1, so here Z1 rotates by an angle, rotates by an angle of amplitude of Z2, and its magnitude becomes, and its magnitude becomes mod of Z2 times. Okay. Amplitude will also increase. Amplitude will become mod of Z2 times. Okay. Tell me, is this clear to everyone? Memel, Ornini, Raktim, Devang, Shomita,
Yes.
Sarthok. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next. So let us continue. Acha, I have a question to everyone. What do you people think iota to the power iota is? Tell me, is it real or imaginary? What do you think? Iota to the power iota. Is it real? Is it imaginary? What do you think? Can someone tell me?
Imagine.
Imaginary. Okay. And Memel, tell me what you think. Real or imaginary? What
Sir,
is it?
imaginary.
Imaginary. Okay. And Onini, what do you think?
So 1 second.
Raktim?
So imaginary.
Imaginary. Shamita?
Imaginary.
Imaginary. Okay. So it comes down to Onini. Everyone has said imaginary. What do you think, Onini?
So imaginary.
Imaginary. Okay. So everyone, iota to the power iota, can I write it as e to the power iota pi by 2 whole to the power iota? Tell me, can I write it? Yes or no? Can I convert the base into e to the power iota pi by 2? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. So everyone, what will this become? This will become e to the power minus pi by 2. Now tell me, what is this? Is it real or imaginary? Real.
Real.
Okay. So see, this is the relation between a real field and a complex field. Okay. Is it clear, Shomita? Iota to the power iota is a real number. Okay. Next. Next, let us continue. Okay, concept of rotation. Concept of rotation. So I'm going to generalize this. Okay, rotation. So everyone, if Z and Z dash are two complex numbers, then argument of Z by Z dash, argument of Z by Z dash is the angle through which is the angle through which is the angle through which OZ dash must be rotated. OZ dash must be rotated in order that it may lie in order that it may lie along OZ, where O is the origin. I'm drawing the diagram, you'll understand. Where O is the origin. So everyone, you see, if this is the argand plane, okay, and this is Z dash, okay. Let us say Z dash is making an angle theta dash with the x-axis, and Z is making an angle theta with the x-axis. Okay. So everyone, can you people see that in order for Z dash to lie along Z, okay, in order for Z dash to lie along Z, okay, their modulus are not same. Okay, I don't know whether their modulus is same or not. But in order for Z dash to lie along, to move along Z, okay, by what angle it should rotate? Tell me.
Sir, theta minus theta dash.
Theta minus theta dash. That is the difference of their angles. So see, that is what I written. Argument of Z by Z dash. Argument of Z by Z dash means argument of Z minus argument of Z dash. Right, tell me. Are you people getting? Devang, Andrini, Sarthak, Shwamita, are you people getting? So you see
Yes.
Z by Z dash. Because you see Z by Z dash is equal to mod of Z by Z dash into e to the power I theta divided by e to the power I theta dash. Okay, this implies which is equal to mod of Z by Z dash into e to the power iota theta minus theta dash. Remember. Okay, this is the concept behind rotation. Okay. Also, suppose a triangle ABC is given. Suppose a triangle ABC is given with vertices Z1, Z2, and Z3. With vertices Z1, Z2, and Z3. Okay. A triangle is given to us with these vertices. Okay. Let us say A is Z1. This is alpha. Okay. B is Z2. And C is Z3. Okay. Acha, so you people tell me, what is AB vector? AB vector is equal to Z2 minus Z1. And actually, AB complex number AB is equal to Z2 minus Z1. And complex number AC is equal to Z3 minus Z1. Right. So if I want Z2 minus Z1, this vector to lie along vector AC, if I want vector AB to lie along vector AC, by what angle we should rotate? Tell me.
Alpha.
Alpha. Right. So can I say that can I say that Z3 minus Z1 upon Z2 minus Z1? This will be equal to mod of Z3 minus Z1 upon mod of Z2 minus Z1. Okay. Since their modulus, I don't know their modulus is same or not. If their modulus is same, then this will become 1. Okay. But we don't know whether their modulus is same or not. Into e to the power iota alpha. Tell me. Is it clear to everyone or should I explain? Tell me. Memel, Onini, Raktim, Devang, Shomita. Is it clear? Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next. So I'll give you an example, but before example, I'll also tell you that instead of rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, we can also rotate in the clockwise direction. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Instead of rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, we can also rotate in the clockwise direction. Yes or no? Memel, Raktim, Onini,
Yes,
Devang.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say that this is also equal to mod of Z3 minus Z1 upon Z2 minus Z1 is equal to e to the power iota into, e to the power minus iota into 2 pi minus alpha. Right, tell me, everyone. If this angle is alpha, this angle is 2 pi minus alpha. So we can rotate in the clockwise direction also. Right. Tell me, Shomita, is it clear? Or should I explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So everyone, I think we can continue. for example, okay, see how the questions will be framed. If Z1, Z2, and Z3, if Z1, Z2, and Z3 are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle, are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle, right angled at Z2, right angled at Z2. Okay, prove that Z1 square plus 2Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 2Z2 into Z1 plus Z3. Okay, so I'll show you two methods. Okay, everyone. I'll show you two methods. So see, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, everyone. It's a right angle triangle. This is Z1. This is Z2. This is Z3. Okay. Next. So everyone, since it is a right angled isosceles triangle, this side is equal to this side. Okay. And you can understand mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to mod of Z3 minus Z2. Okay. So everyone, over here, can I say that Z3 minus Z2, I mean, by what angle we should rotate? I mean, Z1 minus Z2, by what angle we should rotate so that it lie along Z3
90
minus
degrees.
Z2? 90 degree. Okay. So I can say that Z3 minus Z2 upon Z1 minus Z2 is equal to mod of Z3 minus Z2 upon Z1 minus Z2 into e to the power I pi by 2. Okay. Also, you see that this will become 1, right? Because both the modulus is same. So what does it becomes? It becomes Z3 minus Z2 upon, this will be equal to taking Z1 minus Z2 to the right hand side. It will be equal to iota into Z1 minus Z2. Now my task is to eliminate iota. See everyone, is there any iota present in this expression? Tell me. Is there any iota present in this expression? No. So every time your task is to eliminate iota. How can we eliminate iota? What shall we do, everyone? So that iota gets eliminated, what shall we do?
So I have a doubt in the last step.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Like how is e to the power I pi by 2 is coming this way on?
See, either you write e to the power I pi by 2 or you write just iota. Same thing. They both are
Okay,
same,
yes,
right?
yes. Yes, yes.
Are you getting? I wrote e to the power I pi by 2 so that you understand that I am rotating by an angle of 90 degree.
90
Are you
degrees.
getting? Understood?
Yes.
Next, tell me. So you people tell me, everyone, how to eliminate iota? What shall we do? So
Squaring
that
both sides.
squaring both sides, right? So this implies Z3 minus Z2 whole square is equal to minus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Now we can simplify. You'll get the result. You get Z3 square minus Z2, sorry, plus Z2 square minus 2 Z3 Z2 is equal to minus Z1 square minus Z2 square plus 2 Z1 Z2. Okay. Taking all the squares to the left hand side, I'm getting Z1 square plus 2 Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 2 Z2 common Z1 plus Z3. Hence proved. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Next. So this is one of the methods. Method 2. Okay, this is one of the methods. Method 2. Since you know that their modulus is same, over here it is given that their modulus is same, right? You already know it, that their modulus is same. Okay. You just need to rotate by a 90-degree angle, right? So you just directly multiply Z3 minus Z2 is equal to iota into Z1 minus Z2. Done. And then you simplify. Are you people getting? Tell me. You already know that when you multiply by iota, the complex number rotates by an angle of 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Onini, Devank, Raktim, Memel, Sarthak, are people getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is method 2. After this, simplify. Okay. So shall we do some problems? Okay, let us start. Shamita, have you understood till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start. Just- Okay. So I think question number 1 for today. No, question number 2 and 3. Okay, question number 2 and 3 for today. Solve. So once I've done it, send me the whole proof. Okay, question number 2 and 3 for today. Solve. Okay, should I start, everyone? Tell me. First one, number 2.
Sir,
So 1 minute.
Okay, Sam. It's very easy. You can understand. It's an equilateral triangle.
sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Sarthak, tell me.
Yes, sir, 1 minute is sending.
Send. Ratim, Devang, Shobita, Memel, you people also solve and send.
Yes, sir, solving, sir.
Hmm. Okay, Onini, I have received yours. Yes, Onini, your method is absolutely correct. The others, I am waiting. Hello, Shomita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Shomita, you haven't understood the concept of rotation.
Yes, sir.
You haven't understood. Did
No,
you
no, sir.
understand or did you?
Yes, sir, I understood.
So why didn't you do it with rotation?
Okay, sir, I'm doing it.
Sir, I sent it.
Okay. And also, Shomita, you have used the result directly. Okay, are you getting? You have used Z1, Z2 plus Z2, Z3 plus Z3, Z1 is equal to 0. You have used this relation directly. You have to prove this relation and then you have to use it. Are you getting?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But still, use rotation and then prove it. Okay, I want to see. Yes, Devank, your method is correct. Okay, so I'm solving this one. Okay, so Sarthak and Raktim, pay attention. It's an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. Z1, Z2, and Z3. Okay, and what do I need to prove? This is 60 degree. Okay, so see, method 1.
So can you please check if my method is correct or not? Like I haven't completed with the method.
Okay, so this you are doing the right way only, but this simplification will take time.
Yes, sir.
Instead, I have a different method. See, I can eliminate iota directly.
Mistake.
Raktim, tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
Sir, I also didn't calculate. Can I share my method?
Wait. I'm telling you, I understood. You have also done the same thing as Sarthak, right? You have used rotation only once, isn't it? Raktim, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But see, I'm telling you a different method, a better method than this. Okay. You see, whenever it gets complicated, you use rotation twice. Can I say that
And then
Z3
divide the
minus
equations.
exactly Z3 minus Z2
Okay, sir.
is equal to Z1 minus Z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3? Tell me. Can I say this? This is equation 1.
Sir, can you please show question number 3 once?
Yes. Tell me. If I rotate it by 60 degree, I'll get the same thing. Next, again, Z2 minus Z. Okay. Anti-clockwise rotation. So Z1 minus Z3 will be equal to Z2 minus Z3 into e to the power I pi by 3. Tell me, are you getting? If I rotate Z3 minus Z2 by 60 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, I'll get Z1 minus Z2. So see, that's what I had written. Z3 minus Z2 is equal to Z1 minus Z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. And similarly, since this is also 60 degree, I can write Z1 minus, sorry, I can write Z2 minus Z3. Sorry. This will be Z2 minus Z3. Z2 minus Z3 is equal to Z1 minus Z3 into e to the power I pi by 3. Now tell me, how to eliminate iota? Just by dividing.
Equation 1 by equation 2.
Equation 1 by equation 2. And we'll get our result. Z3 minus Z2 upon Z2 minus Z3 is equal to Z1 minus Z2 upon Z1 minus Z3. Okay. After this, you just have to simplify. Cross multiplication will get Z3 minus Z2 into Z1 minus Z3 is equal to Z2 minus Z3 into Z1 minus Z3. Okay. So when you simplify, you are getting Z3 square. The Z3 square will be negative over here. Okay. So further Z3 minus Z2. Okay, I'm multiplying by minus on both sides into Z3 minus Z1 is equal to Z3 minus Z2. What? Have I written the same thing? Z3 minus Z2 into Z1 minus Z3 is equal to Z1 minus Z2. This one will be Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2 into Z2 minus Z3. Z2 minus Z3. Okay. Is equal to Z2 minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z3. Okay, now simplify. This will become Z3 square minus Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z1 Z2. This will be equal to Z2 square minus Z1 plus Z3 into Z2 plus Z1 Z3. I think I'm doing some mistake, I guess. Because I'm not getting Z1 square. I should have got Z1 square. Let me see. I've used it correctly, right? Z3 minus Z2 is equal to Z1 minus Z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. And Z2 minus Z3 is equal to Z1 minus Z3 into e to the power iota pi by 3. Correct only. Z3 minus Z2 upon Z2 minus Z3 is equal to Z1 minus Z2 upon Z1 minus Z3. Correct? So Z3 minus Z2 into Z1 minus Z3. Z3 minus Z2 upon wait a minute. I'm using the same rotation twice or what? Oh, yes. That is the problem. Okay, I have to involve this vector. Okay. Acha, wait. Wait, I'm involving this vector. Okay. So over here, instead of this, I'm going to involve this vector z1 minus z2, z1 minus z3. Okay, z1 minus z3. z1 minus z3 is equal to z2 minus. I have to involve z2 minus z3 over here. Wait. z2 minus z3, if I rotate by z3 minus z2, if I rotate by 60 degree, or z2 minus z3 if I rotate by, okay, I got it, I guess. z2 minus z3, okay, z2 minus z3, this is z2 minus z3 is over here. z2 minus z3, I have to rotate by 60 degree. z2 minus z3 if I rotate by, but this is clockwise direction. Yes, something is missing. Wait.
So if you rotate z2 minus z1 to z3 minus z1.
Wait. I'm doing it once again. Okay. Wait. Okay, I think I'm writing this relations incorrectly. Wait, I'll write it once again. Okay, I'm writing these relations incorrectly. Wait. Okay. So z1 minus z2. You see this vector. z1 minus z2 is equal to z3 minus z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. z1 minus z2 is equal to z3 minus z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. Okay. This is equation 1. And then z2 minus z3. Wait. z3 minus z1. This vector. How will we get this vector? By rotating this vector 60 degree. Okay. So z1 minus z2 minus z3. Wait a minute. No. z1 minus z2. By rotating this vector 60 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. This angle anti-clockwise. Yes. Okay, I got it. This is z2 minus z1 into e to the power iota pi by 3. This is fine. This is equation 2. Tell me, Raktim and Sarthak, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I think I have written it correctly. Okay, let us simplify. Okay. You have to use rotation properly, then only you'll get the result. Okay, now dividing. Okay, what are we getting? Z1 minus Z2 divided by Z3 minus Z1 is equal to Z3 minus Z2 upon Z2 minus Z1. Okay. So over here we are getting minus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Are people getting? Is equal to Z3 minus Z1 into Z3 minus Z2. Okay. This will give us how much? Minus Z1 square minus Z2 square plus 2Z1 Z2. This will be equal to Z3 square minus Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z1 Z2. Okay. So rearranging, okay, taking Z1 square, Z2 square to the left hand side and all the terms taken two at a time to the left hand side. They are getting Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. Hence proved. Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, Raktim, and Shomita, is it
Yes.
clear? Shomita, Memel, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, if you have not understood, let me know. I'll explain again. Tell me. Okay. Method 2. Method 2, you can use rotation only once. Okay. Like Z3 minus Z1. Okay. No, no. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to Z3 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to Z3 minus Z2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. Okay. So what you do is you isolate iota. You isolate iota and then square both sides. That's Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z2. This will be equal to cos pi by 3 plus iota sin pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is equal to half. Okay. So can I write it as 2 into Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z2 is equal to 1 plus iota into root 3. Taking 1 to the left hand side, we are getting 2 into Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z2 minus 1. This will be equal to iota root 3. Now square both sides. Understood, everyone? Square and simplify, you'll get the same thing.
Sir, but it will be long simplification.
It will be a bit lengthy. Is it clear? Tell me, Sarthak, Raktim.
Yes.
Okay. Shomita, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Solve number 3 quickly. Yes, so everyone, should I start? Number 3. Okay, I'm starting with number 3. Z1 and Z2 are roots of the equation Z square plus PZ plus Q equal to 0. A and B represent Z1, Z2 in complex plane. Angle AOB is equal to alpha not equal to 0. And OA equal to OB, where O is the origin. Prove that. Okay, P square is equal to 4Q cos square alpha by 2. Okay. So everyone, pay attention. Over here, there are two complex numbers. Okay. One is AZ1, AZ1 and BZ2. And what is the angle between them? Tell me everyone, what is the angle between them? What is angle AOB given? Alpha?
Alpha.
Achha, over here, what do we need to find out? We need to prove that P square is equal to 4Q cos square alpha by 2. Okay, where Z1 and Z2 are the roots of this equation. Okay. So over here, I'm going to use rotation. Okay. Can you people understand that Z1 by Z2, Z1 by Z2 is equal to e to the power iota into alpha? Yes or no? Tell me everyone. Z1 by Z2 is equal to e to the power iota into alpha. Or you can say that if you multiply Z2 by e to the power iota into alpha, you will get Z1. Yes or no? Tell me everyone. Z2 is equal to, Z1 is equal to Z2 into e to the power iota alpha. Tell me. Sarthak, Ordini, Memel,
Yes, sir.
Shomita, Raktim, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
So from here, Z1 by Z2 is equal to cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. Okay, taking cos alpha to the left hand side, we'll get Z1 by Z2 minus cos alpha is equal to iota sin alpha. Okay, squaring both sides, we'll get Z1 by Z2. Wait a minute, not Z1 by Z2. Wait. Okay. So Z1 square by Z2 square minus 2 Z1 by Z2 into cos alpha plus cos square alpha. This will be equal to minus sin square alpha. Okay. So from here, we consider Z1 square by Z2 square minus 2 into Z1 by Z2 cos alpha plus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiplying by Z2 square, what are we getting? We'll get Z1 square plus Z2 square plus minus 2 Z1 Z2 cos alpha is equal to 0. Now what is Z1 square plus Z2 square? So everyone, what is Z1 plus Z2? Z1 plus Z2 is equal to minus P and Z1 Z2 is equal to Q. Right everyone? Here Z1 plus Z2 is equal to minus P and Z1 Z2 is equal to Q. Okay. So over here I can say that Z1 plus Z2 whole square minus 2 Z1 Z2 minus 2 Z1 Z2 into cos alpha. This will be equal to 0. So over here Z1 plus Z2 whole square will become P square. P square minus 2Q minus 2Q cos alpha equal to 0. So everyone, what is P square? P square is equal to 2Q into 1 plus cos alpha. So everyone, what is 1 plus cos alpha? Tell me. What is 1 plus cos theta?
So 2 cos square to alpha by 2.
So 2Q into 2 cos square alpha by 2. This implies P square is equal to 4Q cos square alpha by 2. Okay, hence proved.
Second is
Is it
cause
clear?
of once.
Yes. Tell me. Onini, is it clear? Onini, Memel,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Devang, Shomita. Sarthak, is it clear?
So we show the part of causal funds and other. A bit up. Yes, yes.
Hmm. Right. If Z1, if I multiply Z1 by Z e to the power iota alpha, okay, I'll get Z1 over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Our next topic is section formula. Okay. So see, since Z1 and Z2 are complex numbers, okay, so there must exist section formula also. So if the points A Z1, the points A Z1 and B Z2 are given such that point P divides AB in the ratio M is to N, then point P is given by MZ2 plus NZ1 upon M plus N. Okay, this is point P. And if P of Z is the midpoint, if point P is the midpoint, then what will happen? Then Z will be equal to Z1 plus Z2 by 2. Are people getting? If point P is the midpoint, because M is to N will become 1. Next. So similarly, orthocenter, in-center, circumcenter, all things we can define in complex plane. Orthocenter, in-center, circumcenter, and centroid. So let us define. So you people remember what is in-center. If this is a triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, A with coordinates Z1, B with Z2, C with Z3. Okay, line AB is equal to C, AC is B, BC is A. So can someone tell me what is centroid? First of all, tell me what is centroid. Somebody tell me what is centroid.
Once.
Yes.
So the intersection point of the angle bisector.
Intersection point of the angle bisectors is centroid, right? Hmm?
No,
Sakti?
in center. Say in center.
Intersection of the angle bisector is centroid
Say
or
in
in
center.
center. Acha. Acha, what is centroid then?
So intersection of medians.
Intersection of medians is centroid,
Yes.
right? So can you tell me the formula of centroid over here? What is centroid? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3.
By 3.
Okay. Next, what is in center? Can someone tell me? Anyone recall? Can anyone recall what is in center?
Sir, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c.
Correct. AZ1 plus BZ2. You people have forgotten. Side into opposite vertex. Side into opposite
Yes,
vertex.
sir.
Side into opposite vertex. AZ1 plus BZ2 plus CZ3 divided by A plus B plus C. Right, tell me. Memel, Omni, are people getting?
Yes.
Devang,
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, Raktim, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us do some more problems. Okay, try this out. Okay, these are questions 4 and 5. Solve. Okay, these are questions 4 and question 5. Okay, this is question number 6. Solve. Okay, so everyone, I'm solving number 4. Pay attention. It's given that Z1, Z2, and Z3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. If Z0 is its circumcenter, prove that 3Z0 square is equal to Z0, Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. Okay, so everyone, can you people understand? You people remember, right? This is question number 4. That for an equilateral triangle, circumcenter and centroid, they are same, right? Circumcenter is equal to centroid. Right, yes or no? Tell me everyone. So can I say that Z0 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3? Tell me. This implies 3Z0. 3Z0 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Tell me, is everyone getting? Yes or no? Okay. So 3Z0 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Okay, but I need some of the squares. So I need to square both sides. Squaring both sides, what are we getting? 9Z0 square is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole square. Okay. What is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole square? Is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square plus 2 into summation of Z1, Z2. Okay. For an equilateral triangle, what is summation of Z1, Z2? Tell me. For an equilateral triangle, we have
Z1 square.
Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square, right? Tell me. Since
Yes, sir.
triangle is equilateral, okay, Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to summation of Z1, Z2. Okay, so let us substitute. What are we getting? 9Z0 square is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square plus 2 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. Right. So on the right hand side, we have 3 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. We can divide by 3 on both sides. We'll get Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 3 into Z0 square. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Hence proved. Tell me, Shamita, Onini, Sarthak, Memel,
Yes, sir.
Devang, have you people
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Try out number 5. Solve quickly. Tell me, should I start number 5? It's very simple. Now it is a regular hexagon. And see, this sum is quite similar to the sum we did it previously. Right? Question number 4. Okay. Instead of 3Z0 square, we have 6Z0 square. And instead of 3 vertices, we have 6 vertices now. So first of all, draw a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. In a regular hexagon, how many equilateral triangles will you get? Tell me. In a regular hexagon, how many equilateral triangles will you get?
See.
3
No, no,
or
no.
2? By joining the 3 vertices, we'll
Yes.
get 2 equilateral triangles. Right. So again, if Z0 is the circumcenter, Z0 is the circumcenter of the equilateral triangle also. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if this is Z1, this is Z2, this is Z3, this is Z4, this is Z5, this is Z6. Can I say that Z1 square plus Z3 square plus Z5 square is equal to 3 into Z0 square? Tell me, can I say this?
Yes, sir.
And Z2 square plus Z4 square plus Z6 square is also equal to 3 into Z0 square. When you add, you are going to get the result. Are you people getting? Tell me. Summation of ZR square is equal to 6 into z naught square. Tell me. Memel, Shomita, Raktim, Onani, Sarthak. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, solve question number 6. Very simple. 6 is also very simple, everyone. Quickly solve. Now, over here it is written if and only if. Okay. So you need to understand. Means you have to prove the converse also. Okay, let us start. Question number 6. We need to prove that the triangle whose vertices Z1 and Z2 is an equilateral triangle if and only if this is equal to 0. Means we have to prove both the sides. Okay. So let us start. So over here, it is given 1 upon Z1 minus Z2 plus 1 upon Z2 minus Z3 plus 1 upon Z3 minus Z1 is equal to 0. Achha, so everyone, since their sides are equal, since all the sides are equal, so can I take all the sides as mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to mod of Z2 minus Z3 is equal to mod of Z3 minus Z1 is equal to lambda? Tell me, can I take this? All the sides are equal. Now everyone, you people remember z dot z bar. What is z dot z bar, everyone? Mod z square, right? So everyone, what is z bar? What is z? Or you can say 1 upon z. Or 1 upon z is equal to z bar by z square. Mod z square, right? So everyone, it is given 1 upon z1 minus z2. Okay. So 1 upon z1 minus z2 plus 1 upon z2 minus z3 plus 1 upon z3 minus z1 equal to 0. From here we can say that this is equal to z1 minus z2 bar upon mod z square. Mod z square, I can take it as lambda square plus z2 minus z3 bar upon lambda square plus z3 minus z1 bar. We need to prove that it is equal to 0 upon lambda square. Okay. So tell me everyone, if I take lambda square as LCM, am I getting 0 in the numerator? Tell me. Z1 bar minus Z2 bar plus Z2 bar minus Z3 bar plus Z3 bar minus Z1 bar. So see, they all get cancelled and you are getting 0. Hence proved. Tell me. Onini, are you getting? Onini, Raktim, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Memel, Sarthak, Shomita, Devang, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So not only this, we need to prove the converse part also, right? Conversely, let us take conversely, let alpha equal to z1 minus z2 beta equal to Z2 minus Z3 and gamma is equal to Z3 minus Z1. Okay, alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, these are the complex numbers. So everyone, it is given that 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 1 upon gamma equal to 0. Okay, we need to prove that their mods are equal, mods are same, then only it's an equilateral triangle. And what else? You can see that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. Right? Can you people identify? Tell me. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. So everyone, from here, if I take 1 by alpha to the right hand side, I'm getting 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma is equal to minus 1 by alpha. From here, beta gamma is the LCM. Numerator would be beta plus gamma is equal to minus 1 by alpha. So from here, we are getting beta plus gamma is minus alpha. So minus alpha by beta gamma is equal to minus 1 by alpha. So from here, alpha cubed is equal to beta gamma. Sorry, alpha squared is equal to beta gamma. Multiplying by alpha on both sides, you'll get alpha cubed is equal to alpha beta gamma. Okay. From here, if you take mod of alpha cube is equal to mod of alpha beta gamma. Right. So similarly, can I say, okay, similarly going through the same process, can I prove that mod of beta cube is also alpha beta gamma? And mod of gamma cubed is also equal to mod of alpha beta gamma, right? So from these three relations, okay, it implies mod of alpha cubed is equal to mod of beta cubed is equal to mod of gamma cubed. Okay, this implies mod alpha is equal to mod beta is equal to mod gamma. Right, Sarthak, are you getting? This implies mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to mod of Z2 minus Z3 is equal to mod of Z3 minus Z1. Okay. Hence the sides are equal. Hence the sides are equal. Okay. Therefore, the triangle is equilateral. The triangle is equilateral. Okay. Tell me, are you people getting those who are online? Yes or no? Tell me,
Yes.
Raktim, Onrini, Devang, Sarthak, Memel, are people getting? Shamita, have you understood
Yes.
this problem? Okay. Next, interpretation of locus. Although we have done locus once in this chapter, but again, interpretation of locus. Interpretation of locus. Okay, number one. What does mod of z minus z naught equal to r represents? Tell me. What does mod of z minus z naught equal to r represents? Distance of a point from another point is always constant. What does it represents?
A circle.
A circle, right? A circle with center
Z
z naught and radius is
R.
r. Okay. Next, number two. What does argument of z minus z naught equal to alpha represents? Tell me. Represents. What does it represents, everyone? Tell me.
Ray.
A ray originating from, a ray originating through, originating From where? Tell me. Through Z0, right?
Sir, Z0.
And making an angle. And making an angle alpha. And making an angle alpha with a positive real axis. With positive real axis. Okay, like this. Tell me, are you people getting? Let us say that this is Z0. Okay, so ray is emerging from Z0. Okay, it is making an angle alpha with the positive real axis. Remember. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Sorry, this is question number 7. So you have to interpret the locus. Okay, you can send me the diagram also, or you can just explain it clearly. Okay. Okay. Solve. Mhm. Okay. These are 6 and 7. Yeah. These are question number 7 and 8. Solve. Question number 7, question number 8. Solve. After this, I'll give some more subparts of 8. Okay, so everyone, should I start with 7 part 1? Tell me. Okay, so everyone sees 7 part 1.
Sir,
Sir,
send
send.
it together.
Okay, so send all of them together quickly. Okay, Sarthak, check it again. Read the question properly. I don't think you are reading the question properly.
Yes, Shubham.
Yes, Raktim, it is correct, but you have to write down what does it represents. Okay.
Sir, writing. So,
Sarthak center is not correct. Read it properly. Yes, okay. Raktim, it is correct. Shomita and Memel, you people also solve.
sir, we just have to write what it represents, or we have to write a locus also.
Write the locus also. Ob- Okay, describe it properly. Okay. Yes. Sarthak 7 part 1 is correct. Only part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Only part 3 is correct. Devang, Devang, part 1 is correct. Part 2. No, you are making a mistake with part 2. Part 3 is correct. Part 4 is correct. Part 5 is correct. Memel part 1 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Shamita part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Raktim part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Memel, your answer is correct. Sarthak, your answer is correct. Only it is not equal to 0. It is equal to 1. Read the question properly. Part 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, although it is correct only part 5. Samita, part 4 is correct. And part 5, foci should be written in terms of points, coordinates. Part 4 and 5 are correct, Memel. Sarthak, foci is not correct.
Sir, which part?
Yes, no. Wait a minute. For 7 part 3, you have written 2 foci. 2. See?
Oh,
Or
yes.
7 part. Which one should I consider?
Sir, at least there should be two focus. Like, two focus.
On any part 4, check part 4, you are making some mistake.
Oh, sorry, sir, it was for another one. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the first
Yes.
one. First one is for part 3.
Okay. That is correct. Then. Yes, Raktim, part 3 is correct. Okay. Okay. No, you are making some mistakes, Sarthak. Part 1. Part 1 is a circle. Part 1, wait a minute. Is a circle with center. Part 1 is a circle with center 1, 2 and radius 3. Radius is 3 units. Part 2. Part 2, it is written mod of z minus 1 is equal to mod of z minus iota. That means distance of a point from 1, 0 is equal to distance of a point from 0, 1. So it is a straight line. It's a perpendicular bisector. It's the perpendicular bisector of 0, 1 and 1, 0. Part 3. Mod of z minus 4 iota plus mod of z plus 4 iota is equal to 10. That means sum of the distances from two distinct points is equal to 10. And also the distance between them is 8, which is less than 10. So yes, it will be an ellipse. Part 3 is an ellipse with foci 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. Okay. So tell me, it's a vertical ellipse or a horizontal ellipse? Part 3. It's a vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse?
Vertical.
Vertical. Okay. Next, part 4. Mod of z minus 1 plus mod of z plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Again, so over here, it looks like it is an ellipse, but the problem is that the distance between their foci is 2. Right? Distance between minus 1, 0 and 1, 0 is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. Okay. So it is, so over here the locus is not defined. So no real locus. And part 5 is mod of z minus 2. Okay, just give me 1 minute, everyone. Yes, so the last one is the difference of the two lengths is equal to 1. So it is a hyperbola. Hyperbola with foci minus 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. Number 8, I'm posting some more parts, subparts. Okay. I'm posting some more subparts. Anyone has solved part 1
Sir,
or
one is
unable to understand how to solve only? Okay, Sarthak, check your answer again. Tell me, should I start? Part 2, 3, 4. Okay, see. Part 1, Z1 minus Z3 upon Z2 minus Z4 is purely imaginary. Okay, these are sides of a square. These are vertices of a square. Okay, so everyone, since these are vertices of a square, okay, A Z1, B Z2, C Z3, and D Z4. All of their lengths are same, right, everyone? All the side lengths are same. They are saying that Z1 minus Z3 and Z2 minus Z4. So everyone, Z1 minus Z3 is this vector. Okay, Z1 minus Z3 is this vector. Z2 minus Z4 is this vector. So tell me, Z1 minus Z3, if I want to overlap with Z2 minus Z4, by what angle we need to rotate this vector?
180.
180 degree. Right, tell me. You have to rotate by 180 degree. Imagine this is the line y equal to x. By how much you should rotate? Tell me, Devank. How much are you? How much should I rotate? Tell me. Visualize this.
So 90.
90 degree, right, everyone? So can I say, everyone, Z2 minus Z4 is equal to iota into Z1 minus Z3. Right, tell me, everyone. Okay, we need to rotate Z1 minus Z3 by an angle of 90 degree to find Z2 minus Z4. Okay, wait a minute. Let me see. This is Z1 minus Z3 and Z1 minus Z3 is this vector. Z2 minus Z4 is this vector. So no, it will be minus iota into Z2 minus Z3. It's clockwise you have to rotate. Okay. So everyone, so what is Z2 minus Z4 upon Z1 minus Z3? Is it real? Imaginary? What is it? It is purely imaginary, right? Hence the first statement is true. Can you people understand? Tell me. Purely imaginary. Okay, so it is true, always true. Next, part 2. Part 2, it is written Z1 minus Z2 divided by Z3 minus Z4. So everyone, this is Z1 minus Z2. Okay, this is the vector Z1 minus Z2, and this is the vector Z3 minus Z4. Are we able to see that these are parallel vectors? Yes or no? So can I say that Z1
Yes.
minus Z2 is equal to some constant into Z3 minus Z4? Tell me, Memel, Shomita, Onini, Devang, Sarthak. Okay,
Yes.
okay. This implies Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 is equal to some constant K, which is purely real. So that is also true. Okay. Statement 2 is also true. Next, statement 3. It is asking Z4 minus Z3 and Z2 minus Z3. So Z4 minus Z3, Z4 minus Z3 is this vector, and Z2 minus Z3 is this vector. So Z4 minus Z3, by how much we need to rotate to get Z2 minus Z3? Tell me. 90 degrees. So what do you think? Third statement is true. Is also iota, right, Devang? Hence, true. Okay, last one, part 4. Okay. Now, whenever you see sum Z2 plus Z4 and Z1 plus Z3 is equal to 1, whenever you see sum, you always think about the intersection. So everyone, intersection of the diagonals. Intersection of the diagonals. Z1 plus Z4 by 2 is equal to, sorry, Z1 plus Z3 by 2 is equal to Z2 plus Z4 by 2. Their midpoints are same, right? Which is equal to the midpoint or center of the square, right? This implies Z1 plus Z3 is also equal to Z2 plus Z4. Hence, this statement is also true. Right, tell me. Memel, Onrini, Shomita,
Yes.
Yes.
Sarthak, Devang, and Raktim. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shomita, have you understood properly? Tell me. Okay. Shomita, go through all the videos. It is very important. Okay. And let me know. Okay. So everyone, I think we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Okay. Tomorrow everyone can join at 8:30. Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I'm not
tomorrow's class.
scared as I told you like
Okay.
before.
Okay. 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 So I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you everyone and good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.